In the heat of midday, a battered truck arrives, no longer moving under its own power, but carried by another. Its frame is scorched, its cabin twisted beyond recognition. It is not a machine anymore, it is a memory. At the workshop gate, a towering crane waits. Slowly, the lifeless truck is lowered to the ground, groaning as if resisting resurrection. Piece by piece, other shattered components follow: fenders, leaf springs, rusted panels, and what remains of the engine. Once everything is down, the team wastes no time. With firm hands and sharp tools, they begin removing what's left of the cabin. The bolts resist at first, years of rust and fire having sealed them shut, but persistence wins. The cabin, once the truck's face, is carefully lifted away, exposing the battered chassis beneath. This is the true beginning, the rebirth of a forgotten warrior. The crew begins to disassemble the frame. One by one, heavy-duty bolts are undone. First, the large leaf springs are freed from the chassis, followed by the rusted axle mounts. The front and rear axles are carefully pulled from under the frame. Then comes the drivetrain, uncoupled and set aside. With every removed piece, the skeleton of the truck becomes clearer, barer. What remains is nothing more than a naked, damaged rail of steel. The truck is now completely exposed, stripped of all dignity but full of potential. Now begins the most grueling phase: reconstructing the entire chassis from raw metal. Sheets of thick steel plate are brought out, heavy, unbending. With nothing more than grinders, torches, and sheer willpower, the team begins cutting the base frames. Precision is key. Every millimeter must align, every weld must hold. The steel is measured, cut, aligned, and joined by hand. Flames dance as welding torches stitch the metal together. Sparks light up the garage as if stars are being born on the floor. Piece by piece, the skeleton is reformed. Crossbeams installed, reinforcements added, brackets aligned. Without CNC machines or automation, this is craftsmanship in its rawest form. They drill holes for bolts. They grind the joints flat. They measure again. The old chassis is gone. What rises in its place is stronger, straighter, and tailored to perfection. By the time the welding torches go silent, a new frame stands in the place of wreckage. With the new chassis in place, reassembly begins. The front leaf springs are fitted first, followed by the heavy axle shafts. Next come the wheels, fitted one by one. The rear suspension system is installed. Rear leaf springs, a reinforced rear axle, and twin wheels that settle into position with satisfying precision. The crane now swings over with the engine block, cleaned and prepped. The team mounts the engine into its new bed, bolting it securely to fresh brackets. Gearboxes are reattached. The driveline is connected. Each part fits tighter than the last. The truck is no longer just a frame. It is a body regaining its pulse. The final push begins. A brand new cabin, built from the ground up, is hoisted into place with the help of the crane. It settles perfectly onto the mounts of the fresh chassis. All wheels are tightened, air brake tanks are installed, and fuel tanks are secured. Workers fit air lines and hoses, connecting the breath and bloodstream of this metal beast. The cabin is aligned and bolted down, doors fitted, panels sealed. The truck now stands tall again. No longer broken, but whole. The crew prepares for the moment of truth. With caution and anticipation, they fire up the ignition. The engine hesitates, then fires into life with a deep, strong growl. No smoke, no hesitation, just power. They take the truck on its first drive, slowly rolling out of the garage. It moves like it remembers what it once was. After the test, the team returns to finish the interior, cleaning the cabin, wiring the dashboard, securing the pedals and switches. When the last piece is bolted in, the transformation is complete. From dead steel to living legend. This is what passion and perseverance create. Witness more real-world craftsmanship. Subscribe and join the journey where broken machines are reborn.